Have you noticed how every year you work harder, put in more hours, maybe even pick up side jobs, but you never seem to get ahead? The cost of living keeps going up, groceries cost more, gas costs more, rent or mortgage payments climbing higher, and yet paychecks stay flat. For most people, it feels like no matter how hard they push, they're stuck in quicksand. The harder they try, the deeper they sink. Surveys show that more than 60% of people are living paycheck to paycheck right now. That means if one emergency hits, a medical bill, a car repair, even a missed paycheck, they're suddenly at risk of losing everything they've worked for. And 78% of people don't even like the jobs they're doing to survive. That's the reality for most people today. If you've ever sat there late at night, stressed about bills, or wondered how you'll ever retire when prices keep climbing faster than your savings, then what I'm about to share with you is something you cannot afford to miss. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how everyday people are creating financial breathing room, not by taking on another draining side hustle, not by working longer hours. What they're doing is tapping into the fastest growing industry, the e-learning industry, and selling digital programs. Here's the promise. By the end of this video, you'll understand a business model that lets you set up in just one day, plug into a supportive community, follow step-by-step training to make your first sale within a week, and then run your business in just 2 hours a day using nothing but Wi-Fi and your cell phone. A business that gives you 100% profit on every sale. A business where you don't have to create products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. If it sounds like a breath of fresh air, stick with me because I'm going to break it all down for you. I put together a free PDF guide that shows you exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. The link is in my bio. Make sure you use your best email so you actually get it. Now, let's get real for a moment. The way most people are taught to think about money is broken. We're told to get a job, work hard, climb the ladder, and maybe one day, if we're lucky, we'll retire with enough to live on. But that system doesn't work anymore. Inflation is eating away at savings faster than people can put money away. The average person is 1 or 2 paychecks away from real financial disaster. More and more people are waking up to the fact that working harder at the same job isn't the answer. So what is the answer? It's creating a business that isn't tied to trading hours for dollars. A business that leverages automation, digital tools, and the internet to work for you even when you're not working yourself. That's exactly what this model is all about. It's reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry, an industry that's already massive and growing every year. And here's the key difference. When you plug into this model, you get master resale rights, which means you keep 100% of the profit every time you make a sale. Most businesses, whether it's affiliate marketing, dropshipping, Amazon, FBA, or MLM, they give you a tiny slice of the pie, maybe 10 to 30% commission if you're lucky. Or they bury you in monthly fees, inventory costs, or middlemen. But here it's simple. One-time setup. No monthly fees, no slim margins. Every sale you make $100, $300, $600, and even $900 is 100% yours to keep. You don't have to split your profits. Let me give you a picture. Think of Apple. Millions of people sell iPhones, but the profit margin for most resellers is tiny. They do all the work. Apple gets most of the money, but in this model, you're not the middleman with scraps. You're the one who keeps it all. And the best part, you don't have to create these programs yourself. They're already built, already packaged, already designed to sell. You get the website, the automated sales funnel, the digital programs, and the training. All you do is set it up, which can literally be done in one day, and then start plugging into the community and following the step-by-step system and training. It's called Launch to Profit. You follow the training and people are making their first sales within a week. After that, it's about the 2-hour workday. You post 3 simple pieces of content on social media. Nothing fancy, just relatable, shareable content. You go live once in a while to connect with people. You can go live every day. You can post content every day. It's up to you. It's your business. You reply to comments, messages, emails, because people buy from people they trust. You can even use the copy and paste a free ad method to get content out quickly. While you're doing that, your automations are running in the background, capturing leads, sending emails, building your list, and closing sales. which is why people in this business literally wake up to new commissions. Think about it like this. Most jobs are like pushing a heavy cart up a hill. The second you stop pushing, everything stops moving. But this business is like setting up a conveyor belt that runs on its own. You just have to load it for a couple hours a day and it keeps running even when you're sleeping. Now, let me introduce myself briefly because I want you to know why I believe so strongly in this. My name is Dan. For 10 years, I lived as a monk, focused on service, simplicity, peace, healing, and transcendental music and philosophy. That life gave me perspective, but it didn't give me financial freedom. When I came back into society, I worked for a company for 5 years. And in 2021, they sent me an email cutting my pay in half. They gave us a 3-week notice. So I lost half my income. That was my wake-up call. I tried making money online. I tried affiliate marketing programs. I tried multi-level marketing. I even dabbled in other business models, but I failed and I spent more money than I made. I got frustrated and thought maybe financial freedom wasn't for me. But in 2024, I found this blueprint and that changed everything. I realized I didn't have to reinvent the wheel. I could follow a proven system, resell digital programs that people already wanted, and finally build the freedom I had been chasing. And that's what I want for you too. You don't want another job. You don't want to grind harder for less. You want freedom. You want to travel without asking for time off. You want to pay off debt without feeling crushed. You want to spend real time with your family, not just what's left over after work. You want to feel secure knowing you're not one financial shock away from disaster. That's the destination, and this is the vehicle to get you there. And by the way, if you're serious about learning how this works, don't forget the free PDF guide. It is in my bio, sevenfiguremonk.com. It breaks down exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. Make sure you use your best email so it lands in your inbox, and reply to me if you have any questions once you've got it. Now, let's compare this business to some of the others people usually look at. Affiliate marketing. You only keep a fraction of each sale. You do all the work and the company keeps most of the profit. Multi-level marketing. You're climbing pyramids, relying on uplines and downlines, chasing family and friends, and constantly feeling pressured to recruit and cold message people. Drop shipping or Amazon FBA. You're at the mercy of suppliers, warehouses, shipping delays, razor-thin margins, and angry customers. One bad batch of products and your reputation is done. Trading or investing, you're risking money every day, glued to charts, stressed, and one wrong move wipes you out. But this is simple. Done for you programs, 100% profit, no middlemen, no inventory, no monthly fees, just a system that works if you work it. And the programs don't just make you money, they teach you the skills to build multiple streams of income. You'll learn how to create your own offers, market them, build a community, master email marketing, attraction marketing, branding, and more. It's like learning to fish while being fed. You earn while you learn, and you gain skills that will serve you for the rest of your life. Imagine where you could be in 6 months from now. Picture waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that sales came in while you slept. You make coffee, you spend 2 hours posting content, going live, replying to people. Then you close your laptop or your phone and go live your life. The rest of the day is yours. Time with your kids, traveling, relaxing, whatever freedom looks like to you. That's the vision. That's the outcome. That's the destination you deserve. And listen, the only reason most people don't get there is because they wait. They think they'll start when things calm down, when they have more time, when the moment is perfect. But life doesn't work that way. Waiting keeps you stuck exactly where you are. So here's your moment. Don't wait for another year of inflation, another year of stress, another year of missing out on the life that you really want. Take action now. Go to the link in my bio, grab the free guide, put in your best email so you actually get it. Check your folders for the word blueprint. Reply to me if you have questions and check out the overview. This could be the turning point in your life, but only if you move forward and take action right now.